Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have another vintage toy. It's Sea Monkey's Nightlife Gems. Now this is from 2010, so let's take a closer look. Alright, now here's our Sea Monkey's Nightlife Gems. Now it comes with this little submarine searchlight. It's a little LED light that goes on top of the tank, and it comes with these glow-in-the-dark pebbles that go in there as well. When you turn the light off, they glow. Pretty cool. Unopened box, a little bit of damage right here. And here's the bag. As you can see, it's from 2010.